Are you a stay-at-home mom, undergraduate, unemployed, high school dropout, looking for a source of income to take care of yourself or your loved ones? Are you tired of asking for financial assistance from your spouse or your parents to take care of your needs? Well, you need not to, because there are 1,001 things you can start doing for yourself from this moment, and that is acquiring a skill to help you as an individual. And one of the skills is commercial bread making. Now, I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube claiming you have to acquire all the heavy and expensive machineries to be able to start commercial bread business. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not true, because in this class, you will learn how to start small before getting the expensive machineries if you want to. If you fall into the category of people I mentioned above, then this class is for you. Kindly click the link in the description to access the class. Now, there are lots of successful bakeries today that still produce their bread in large quantities every day without breaking the bank buying the expensive machineries. And that's why I'm here to tell you, my friend, I have created a class on how to bake commercial bread, how to create your own recipes, how to prolong the shelf life of your bread, marketing, distribution, and so on. The good thing about this class is that you will get to learn these skills with lesser investment, unlike when you go for the physical class. Oh, I had my own share. So if this is something you want to give a try, check the link in the description to access the class.